Nigogona riria rirehete hamwe makiri marata family ya Loise Wambura Githendui Githae uria ni nyina wa vice chair wa Royal Media Services Gathoni Macharia na chairman wa Royal Media Dr. SK Macharia ciana ciake igitariria uria amarungaga icuri o nginyagia riria arahurukire no kuru wa miaka 100 ria iri
arari mutumia ngatha na ni arathuire Njuko otongiathirio mwathirio athia acukane ekumwita hau muri nyweri we wanjira atia ndagiakiheiro njuko mutumia urari na ũhoro wa kuiga mucii to communicate. Your eyes did the talking and we learned not to do what was wrong, be it in talking, dressing, having wrong company, or being in a place where you are not supposed to be. You outsmarted everybody. Maito are mundu akurorogu ni amenyaga kana we murakaru kana we mukeni agakuhe chance akumenya uria wikare ucio ni we meitu ndari wakubyo beroboro no na thikiririe ni mwanyita riu mbere ya Githendu na ri othe meguku tondu ithuothe nio ngihoya njugaga ithuothe theini wa thi bishop twiciana cia nyina omwe tondu toimire handu ha.
You taught us to love one another. You taught us to put our hopes in our Lord. You taught us the value of education. You taught us the value of faith in God. You taught us to treat each other with respect. You taught us to respect each other. You lived your life well. And we know that you are in heaven with the angels.
Maugite ni ngatho maracokia ni miaka 100 ria iria Wambura ararathimitwo nayo akiririkano ta gitugi kio shamba mwendi andu na wiyugi wa mwanya.
We are not mourning, we are celebrating. On 6 April we had a very big birthday party yake ya 102. Kwa hivyo tunasema Mungu ni mwema and we shall live. I refer then to his family and our family, we shall live in God's house.
Mutumia we haha ndarehire muthee gwakwa mundu wari na brain bigger than all of us probably. Tutigire na Royal Media koguo iteo giothe na no iteo giakwa giothe family itu iheaga mutumia uyu first hand gift.
Nyina witu nigukena arakena tondu arakwire thiini wa mwathani ni turamwendete no Ngai aramwenda makiria.
Anakorwo ari chairidi wa kanjo ya kanitha wa ACK Trinity Marurumo kuria tungatire na waragania na uigiririki kwa miaka mingi nginyagia kuritaya gwake mwaka wa 2009 na kuri aria othe manakuruhana nake mamuririkanite ta mundu mutana wikio na wendete kurehe andu hamwe.
Ngirathia gwake mubutu no wabuna ungirathia gwake na kondo gatena kindu no indukia ki.
It is true in wa eulogy no ne kavite ati kwina buildings sekanithoyo iria twatigiro riu twaciona nitulionaga wira muruteku uri rutito ni jambeno.
We are all going to miss you, but we will absolutely see you again, and for that we are comforted and grateful. Maito, you fought a great fight and still made it this far.
Will always be remembered. She leaves behind a remarkable example of a life well lived, filled with love, resilience, and commitment to making the world a better place.
For our minds are full of the good memories we shared. We thought time is a big hero, but somehow, with each passing day, we miss you.
Mama amezungukiwa na great grandchildren and great grandchildren.
Was that this was a celebration in life because she was turning 102. Those are very, very many years. So today, to the family, as I say, Polly, let's remember to say thanks to the Lord for the many years that our grandma was given.
Rest in peace, Maito.
Thutha wa kuronete jiaro nya cia family yake wendo wiruteri no tana wa Loise Wambura Githendui Githae guturoririkanaguo ni jiarwa na jiarwa ciguka kumana na wiruteri wake. Ngiribotera Inoro TV kuma itura ria Marurumo Mwea County ya Kirinyaga, jitagwo Jenga Wabui.